Welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful espresso machine. Let's take the portafilter out, please. Oh. That way we can do our cooling flush, because we're going to do our steam first. And then we're going to do, so you can see the steam works well. Then we're going to turn the steam off and do a cooling flush. Until the big bubbles come out. Looks good. And then if we can get the portafilter back on, please. Thank you. We'll pull our shot. Yeah, we can see we get a nice shot. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.